The Honor Win and Win RT have been announced in China. The gaming-focused phones come with the latest flagship Snapdragon chipsets. The Honor Win series come in black, white, and blue. Honor Win and Honor Win RT come in built-in cooling fan and dedicated button. Honor Win promises robust durability with IP68 plus IP69 resistance. Both handsets come with a 6.83-inch OLED display with a refresh rate of 185 Hz, up to 6000 nit peak brightness, Full HD plus resolution, HDR10 plus support, and in-display ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. The Honor Win and Win RT will come with a 50MP Sony LYT700 primary rear camera and a 12MP ultra-wide unit. Both phones will also offer a 50MP selfie camera. The Honor Win feature a triple rear camera setup, feature a 50MP Sony IMX856 telephoto unit with 3x optical zoom support. Base model will have the Snapdragon 8 Elite, whereas the higher version will pack the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. One of the two devices is bring a massive 10,000 mAh battery with 100W wired charging support. The Honor Win is available in a 12GB per 256GB model that costs 3,999 Chinese yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.